In the heart of Miami Beach, where the sun shines brightest and the homes stand proudest, a revolution in home protection is taking place. The name of this revolution? Impact Window Installation Services. Imagine this, a sturdy, resilient window that stands tall against the mightiest of hurricanes, protecting your home and those within it. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality, and it's available right here in Miami Beach. From the Art Deco Historic District to the palm-lined streets of North Beach, homes are getting an upgrade. These aren't your ordinary windows. They're impact windows designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions. Whether it's a raging storm or an unexpected break-in attempt, these windows hold their ground. Not a crack, not a shatter, just pure, unyielding strength. And who's behind this revolution? Mickey's Balcony. With years of experience and an unwavering dedication to quality, they've become the most trusted name in impact window installations. So don't wait. Give your home the protection it deserves. Contact Mickey's Balcony today and join the revolution. Because in Miami Beach, we don't just weather the storm, we stand strong against it.